Witches. What comes to mind when you think of that word? A deformed green face with a big nose and warts? That's what we keep telling our children in stories and fairy tales. But in reality, they don't look like that at all. They look like you or me, and it could be a woman or a man, for witch could be the best to describe any practitioner today. But there are many characteristics that distinguish what type of witch they are. And today we are going to be talking about the Hedge Witch. A hedge witch is more than just a term. For those who walk this path, it's a lifestyle. These witches do the best work outside, and they have a natural gift for knowing what type of plant or herb will have a certain effect on the user. They're the ones you go to when you are sick or in the need of treatment. And because of this ability to treat people better than modern medicine could in the old days, they were ridiculed, feared, and shunned. You can find them most of the time outside enjoying the outdoors. They love to explore the area around what they call home, no matter if it's sunny, raining, or snowing, for this is how they get to know the land and energy of the land around them. The hedge witch has no formal religion or faith, so a lot of them will also fall into the eclectic or solitary definition as well. So if you know someone like this or want to know more about plants or herbs, say hello and ask if they can help you. You'll be surprised at their vast knowledge.